Your formula for this film time. Whether you like it or not, me and you are my formula and you are formula.
Which formula? Almighty formula.
All you know.
Divide the x.
1/2 plus 1/2. And you know 1/1.
You see, you know, say this divide the x. Who they look for school for that time? My brother, you never go bank. Can I tell you say what to divide the x of the money?
You know,
nobody talk about the x.
They make story. They hard for person.
I don't know.
Find why?
You go see divide the x. You go see find x. How can it be x there?
So why is it make I find out?
Why is it make I find out go?
X plus 2x equal to 3x plus 4y. Find x.
Find x.
That's the first question.
Anyway.
The second question go come be find y.
They're going to find everything. Well, now welcome back on Top of the Nation. We go on top Twitter for the topic we're going to discuss today. In case you join the journal, something we're going to discuss today. And I say, man, where carry waka enter inside house, come meet in wife, they feel another man. The man they
like
Chidi
Christopher say they feel another man.
Then too they feel themselves. The man not do anything. The man just smile. Go sit down for institute room. They watch TV. And then the man where they feel the wife come outside, come beg him. Can't wait now they talk.
Okay.
You know they respect your old age.
No.
You don't say you don't old.
No.
It is like a small became.
No, my brother. When there is life, there is hope. Cheers to that. You to your formula. You the tongue, yare. So you like me? No, they do like say you don't like me.
So the man come be the man wait the husband for parlor. The husband tell her say no worry, they happen. He go. For night when they sleep, the woman self apologize. Say, honey, no vex. It's the devil's work. I didn't know. It's conji devil's work.
He say no, say nothing, no problem.
The woman can't hang himself for night. Now they carry the matter go court. The man now dey for prison for 20 years because of the matter. Who you go blame? The man, the law will give him 20 years for prison.
Or the woman wey don't die.
I've been at the woman wey don't die. Anyway, on top Twitter, Adiola Ibrahim talk say, now the woman dey faulty first for wiping and secondly for killing herself. And then Ebiale Happiness talk say, I not blame the man, no. Something like that, you feel they confused for days. Because this now somebody where you love. Then the Delicious, Easy Beat, first, second babe, come talk say, I blame the woman for everything. Her husband is just a victim of circumstance. Sorry, Oga.
Yeah.
Oga Nedu, why you dey always vex when Kati they speak her language with some colors?
I don't know.
Answer. Who tell inside? Now your vex? Not be my vex. Not be my vex.
Now your face when you push for fish. Say from time to time.
Bolu, what if I can say after all the stress at work, W night show for fun with Nedu and Katim and Easybit. Thank you.
Easy, this easy. Where did they hear that?
Easy. No. Nine time. Now when you don't finally
easy.
we relax and relax yourself. And then which kind? Make no. Now one day we go Agbada.
What did easy be good way?
Maku take our last caller for today. Rosalie from Warri. Good evening.
Hello, never call.
Hello. You want put another begin. Good evening, Rosalie.
Good evening.
How you dey?
I dey fine.
I bet.
How are you?
I did, my sister. Welcome.
Out of ECB.
You did here.
Yeah, good evening, Rosie. Good evening.
I love your dry season.
Oh, thank you.
You get the Valentine this last year.
You say?
I mean, you get the Valentine this last year.
Okay, no wahala. We did.
Nedu. Nedu, smile now. Who saw you there?
My sister. Hey, I'm smiling though. I am laughing inside my spirit now.
So,
are you jealous?
For what now? For what now?
That's Valentine. Easy be go collect all the present. They go bring present come our gate now.
Mary dey there.
Easy Doralish.
Doralish is there. Afusat. You Genevieve dey. Then you now Rosaline. No problem. More grease to your elbow. I beg if now you Rosaline, what you go do? Now Lord, now you go blame. I been at the man, I been at the woman you go blame.
Now the woman I blame.
Why you go blame the woman?
For not supposed to carry man from her house. And for the man, do it stay quiet. Not say everybody will quiet about this.
Okay.
So the woman not supposed to take law into her hands. Don't go here and say.
Okay. All right.
You carry man inside her house. Don't say she go face fire well.
Abio.
For the man, they hear her house.
Anyway, Rosaline, thank you.
But the man feed
Success from Port Harcourt.
Process and take time.
Yeah.
So, Success, you're a woman or man?
A girl.
Oh, a girl.
So who don't a man here and who don't a woman here? You're a girl.
Success, how you doing?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
How old are you?
No first.
I didn't get it.
How old you be?
30. 13.
13 or 30?
Yes, 30.
30?
Yes.
Whoa. Good evening, no. Now you be the call yourself girl. Now shrine you be you the call yourself girl. And you want now you join those we want use Easy B to Valentine?
I don't know.
You want use easy bit do Valentine?
No.
Who you want do Valentine with?
Everybody.
Yeah.
Cause
Are you a careful
Number
giver?
one.
she said Kezaya. Anyway, who you go blame? Now the law you go blame. I mean, the man or the woman you go blame for this case.
The woman.
The woman, Okoya.
Yes.
Now the woman you go blame. Anyway, success. Thank you from Port Harcourt. Success says you go blame the woman for the thing. And then General DJ Indo said Nedu Dublin show easy beat. Feeling you guys.
Man,
for
I
me,
feel you Indo. I feel you Indo.
I blame the woman. Easy beat. These guys they lie for you.
Hey.
The Indo.
They go, they die, they go.
DJ Indo, I beg, get me tell them. Now say you go they die, they go. I don't talk this thing before. I go talk them again.
When I go find easy bit after Valentine.
Make I talk this parable. My mother always tell me this thing. Small pig. What do they call small pig? Piglet. You go there for inside fire. They say, mommy, see my body is removing oil. Oh, this is so cool. In now no son I die, they die. They happy. Oh, thank you. See, you do hand. Thank you. Yeah, I'm okay now. We are dying here.
He knocks soon.
In next, you see, they die.
We don't
Now die, you they die.
Don't come here.
This guy.
I don't call dance now. We don't groove now.
Yeah, daddy.
My brother, God is.
Easy, what be your plan for Valentine?
What is your plan for Valentine?
I did record that day now. I never even know yet. We get recording that day, Seth. I'm very. It did very sad, but we go work something out.
Okay, now we go all the people.
In Agwabiati. Yeah, you see mark for our face, Abi.
Send all your presents to the office. The address here 26782 Young Crescent, Victoria Island.
Anyway, double toilet all of now. Join us for the night show for today. Thank you to all those we call. Those of you who know if we talk on a call, I beg. Make una no vex. Double toilet to our able DJ Easy Beat. We don't confuse now. I won't call now. Who's now? He's a diamond now.
Step up.
He don't knock suit now. Who knows what he go wear tomorrow?
He can't be like best man. I mean, who can go wedding? He carry hair like God and Rebello. Now they come be twins.
Double toilet to K-Solo to Obangit. Hey, you know yourself. And then to Falakemi Abi.
Yo.
Falakemi. And then to Buki when they studio with us. Double toilet all of now. Now good night till tomorrow. Easy Beat. Give us a music now. Make I wear this shoe. Where Katim give me now.
Hey.
When you are go carry go. See a body go, yeah, yo. Baby, you are the check on no. When you are wanna no. Sisi Ferrari, oh, yeah, yo. Baby sweet, yeah. Baby nice, yeah. Baby do body quite. Show me more taxi, malero boya roni. Oti makode wapa, o afe mabuga seni. What you want? I want to marry. Sisi Agbari go. Yeah, yo. Baby, you are the giver, yo. But now you are want to give my life to, baby, oh. Baby sweet, yeah. Baby nice, yeah. Baby do all the quanta. Show me more taxi, malero boya roni. Oti makode wapa.